Hello, my name's Georgia Beattie. I'm a non-executive director of Rowing Australia. Rowing Australia is the industry body for the sport of rowing for the country. So we are a federated model. We organise championships and events right across the border of rowing. And so that involves classical on-water rowing, coastal rowing, which is a new discipline, which involves rowing in the ocean. And then more importantly, which is my area of focus, indoor rowing. Our organisation hosts competitions and exhibitions and runs regional and national contests for all ages. So Row Nation is a project about creating a fitness app that provides access to rowing workouts and highlights relevant sporting events to expand the rowing community globally. If you think about on-water rowing isn't accessible to everyone, but in a lot of gyms around the world, there is a rowing machine, and we'd like to enable fitness enthusiasts to try the rowing machine and really inspire them to get fit on the ergo. The main idea behind the application is that our new app, Row Nation, is that we wanted to develop something that could optimize and help people with the training programs and be a great introduction for people into rowing, because it is a foreign sport. It's particularly for those that aren't used to rowing on the rowing machine. So we want to make it easy and, most importantly, fun. We needed an entire dedicated development team to build the mobile app from scratch. There really wasn't anything that looked like this in the market. And we also needed to have a web admin panel. So we were looking for a reliable software provider with experience in mobile app development and integration with sports devices. And that's why we approached Cleveroad. We did a comprehensive analysis online of different platforms. We compiled a short list of vendors that we thought would be a good fit for us, and Cleveroad was one of these. Additionally, we had heard that Cleveroad had successful collaboration with another business in Australia, so it was sort of a friendly introduction in that way. And this company had previously worked with this company, and they had a very positive experience, which goes a long way, particularly when you're working from a different country. Once we reached out to Cleveroad, we received a response really quickly. It would have been less than 24 hours. After conducting the initial meeting, the Cleveroad experts organised a solution design workshop where they analysed our ideas, our limitations and our concerns. Through the workshop, Cleveroad took quite a lot of time and effort to properly understand our project's needs. And that far outweighed our experience with the other agencies. And I think additionally, they really helped us clarify what we needed. We probably didn't understand the limitations with the current rowing machine. We had these big ideas, but really at the end of the day, you need to drill it down to something that's executable, that's practical and achievable. So they really helped us with that. So moreover, the solution design team had some really good suggestions on how we could optimize our budget and be really careful with where we allocated our funding. For example, they recommended using Flutter to develop a cross-platform solution that's capable of running on both Android and iOS. So that meant we didn't need to build separate systems. It's one that could deploy to both. By leveraging Cleveroad's in-depth experience and expertise in Flutter, we could get a high-quality solution while keeping our budget to a minimal amount. In addition, Cleveroad was willing to provide us with a full dedicated team that could handle the development of our cross-platform mobile app and web admin panel. from the discovery phase right through to release. After evaluating the timeline, the experts confirmed that they were able to meet our tight beta release deadline, which was very tight, and also stay within budget, which is always critical. After reviewing their proposal, we didn't hesitate to sign the contract and get started with development. So when developing our fitness app for rowers, Cleveroad successfully tackled several big technical challenges. First, due to the nature of our application, we needed our app to pair with the indoor rowing machine. Mainly, our focus has been the Concept2 RowErg. To integrate this functionality successfully, the Cleveroad team even installed a rowing machine into their office. They ensured seamless connection to the Bluetooth, allowing for both programming the monitor and pulling data from the monitor after a workout. So by having the machine sitting in the office, they could have a really fast turnaround with these changes and concepts. Next, Cleveroad employed Bluetooth to connect our app to the Polar Fitness Belt. This allowed users to receive real-time heart rate data for the app, enhancing the workout monitoring and making the training experience more personalised and effective. They integrated the RowNation app with Concept2's Logbook. This way, users could sync their workout data from RowNation with their existing Logbook account with Concept2, making it easier to track their progress, join challenges, and further enhance their rowing experience. Finally, the Cleveroad team integrated our app with Vimeo, which allowed users to access and view training videos directly within the app. Yes, I'm extremely satisfied with the Cleveroad team and the work that they did on our project. The project management team was fantastic. The way they managed it was fantastic. We had a clear plan that was created in the first fortnight of development. So that meant all of our expectations we're on the sort of same page. Despite a significant time zone difference, the team created a schedule of 2 meetings per week, allowing for all of the stakeholders from our side to be present. And actually, the time difference worked really well for us because we would go online at about 5 p.m. and it meant that whatever we were doing during the day, we knew that time between sort of 5 and 7 p.m. was our time to really focus on our development. So that worked well from my side. In the first development phase, we worked with a dedicated team of 13 people from Cleveroad. They built an MVP version of our rowing training app and admin panel from scratch, hitting all the tight deadlines for the beta release. We were really pleased with the end result. The app came out with the features like the custom and video training events, progress tracking, and a community for indoor rowing clubs. For the second phase, we turned to Cleveroad to add some new features. We wanted to include some more training sets, workout metrics, and achievements. The updated app now has more gamification elements, and the idea is to really engage and get people coming back onto the rowing machine. It was crucial to get everything ready before the 2024 Olympics, and Cleveroad delivered a top quality product in time. The Cleveroad team was deeply involved in our project during both phases of development. They stayed in constant contact, offering us new solutions that could improve the final application. Their productivity and commitment to providing us with the best possible service allowed us to get the final product and exceed our expectations. Yes, definitely. And actually, I've already recommended Cleveroad to a colleague. I sit on quite a few different boards, and this is a partner that I'm confident in working with. So I can, I've got my reputation on the line with the businesses I'm dealing with, and I know that Cleveroad will over-deliver with the project. The Cleveroad team have proven to be reliable end-to-end as an IT provider, and they're ready continually to help us make product decisions to best serve our users rather than just what we've signed off. And I surely will continue to be recommending them. Another thing is that, tech is something, it's like a living thing, it's ongoing, and it's really important that you've got that partner that as your business grows, they're able to grow with you and keep helping you. Absolutely. The Cleveroad team have proven their expertise in custom software development by delivering a high quality product with which we are extremely satisfied with. We're very pleased with their service. Our team is already preparing to move to the third development phase with Cleveroad, and we're really excited to make Row Nation even better.